In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto-renewal in Hostinger. If you want to make sure your hosting or other active services continue without interruption, turning on auto-renewal is a quick and useful setting to check. This helps prevent a subscription from expiring unexpectedly, which can be especially important if you're managing a website and want to avoid downtime or disruptions. To begin, sign into your Hostinger account and look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. This is where you can access several account-related options, including payments and subscription settings. From the menu that appears, choose Billing. This will take you to the billing area of your Hostinger account, where you can manage payment-related details and review your current services. If you have multiple products or plans, this section is especially helpful because it gives you a clearer view of what is active and how each service is set to renew. Once you're in the billing section, find the area labeled Subscriptions. In this section, you should see a list of your active subscriptions along with different columns that show important details. One of those columns is for auto-renewal. This is the setting you'll need to update. To enable auto-renewal, simply click in the auto-renewal column for the subscription you want to update. After you click it, the setting should switch on. That's all you need to do. After enabling it, it's a good idea to take a quick look and confirm that the change has been applied correctly. If the auto-renewal option appears turned on, then your subscription is now set to renew automatically according to Hostinger's billing schedule. This means you won't need to remember to renew it manually each time. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're looking at the correct subscription in the Subscriptions section. Also, depending on your account setup, you may want to verify that your payment method is up to date, so the renewal can process successfully when the time comes. And that's it. That's how to enable auto-renewal in Hostinger. It only takes a moment, and it can save you from service interruptions later on.